So, do you sit in meetings? And have you ever been in a meeting where you've heard great ideas and people have come up with really good input, but then at the end of the meeting, you felt a little bit underwhelmed because all of the ideas haven't been taken down properly, they've not been put into proper categories, there's no way forward and no real plan. Well, this is where this next software comes in. It's called ExcelWay, and I guess that's because you can excel in your meetings. You can set up different ideas using different templates to get the very best out of meetings. It might be the pros and cons, or it could be asking the people in the meeting how they feel about each idea, and then you can work a clear plan forward. Just to say, when I'm wearing my black scruffy top today, as you probably know, I work away sometimes, and I'm working away at the moment. I'm in the back of the van, and well, our Queen Elizabeth passed away yesterday, and I didn't think it was right that I wear my normal loud bright shirt, so that's just my little thing. Just rest in peace, Queen Elizabeth. And we go on as she would have wanted, keeping on working hard. But yeah, rest in peace. And that's really all that needs to be said. It doesn't seem appropriate today to say please subscribe to the channel and all that. So let's just jump in and have a look at ExcelWay. So here is ExcelWay, and you set up a project. So every single meeting you do is a project. I understand how it works, and I think this is very valuable if you have meetings. I personally don't have lots of business meetings with myself, and I've got a very small team of people who sometimes help me out. But yeah, but if you do, then this could be very helpful. So I've set up a couple of projects, and each project is a meeting. And if you open your project and access it, you can see that in each project you can set up a new activity. So during that meeting, it might be on Zoom, or it might be sat around a desk. So you have a new idea. And I was talking here about building a new website and whether we use WordPress and make it in-house or if we pay someone to do it. So WordPress website, what's the pros? Saves money. We keep control. The cons, it might be unprofessional. And you can set up all sorts of different ideas. Here is what's your perspective? So you could be asking ideas. So you could ask the people in the meeting, what did you like about this idea? What did you learn? What did you think it lacked? And what did you longed could have worked better? And I'll quickly show you all of the different templates, which will probably mean, I'll be really honest, a lot more to you than me. But these are the kind of things you can set up for your meeting. You can have brainstorming ideas, agile flow ideas, reflect on future considerations, lessons learned, accomplishments, and problems. If you're doing a product management meeting, you can have an empathy map to get a deeper insight into customers, so they could be sat in the meeting, you could be asking the questions and then put it on the chart. Team building meetings, what's your hopes and fears? And problem solving and strategy, lots of templates for strategy. And all of these things, again, that's where I say you probably know a lot more about this if you're in business than me. A business model canvas, a SWOT analysis canvas, a product market fit canvas. And if you just use that template, there it is. And characteristics, jobs to be done, the problems and needs of the product. So, yeah, and you can set these up and use a blank canvas and set these all up for yourself. If we leave the workshop, I'll just show you the other thing. So there's your workshops and your projects. That is a board. And on that board, you can ask tasks, what's in progress. So really, the board is a to-do list, a traditional kind of to-do list. These are the documents, so all in one place. You can keep the documents that relate to the project. And you can share information on the project there as well. So quite a simple piece of software, but just thought I'd bring it to you because, well, I think it'd be a handy one for you if you are in a business or maybe part of a society or a group where you do plan and have meetings. And of course, you can do all the things like invite extra meetings to your projects so that people can join, and then they can be given access to the project board. They can also, adapt it and change it online. And really, that is ExcelWay. So let's jump out of ExcelWay, and I'll give you my final thoughts. So that is ExcelWay. Looks like a good piece of kit, and it's getting some good reviews. So check it out. I think you can check it out and have a free trial of it. And at the moment, there is, in my link in the description, a bonus link. And I think it's the lifetime deal, so you can get it and pay once and then use it forever for your business. So it might be worth looking at that. But there's my little run through of it. Not an in-depth review, but if you or your business has plenty of meetings, could be a handy little tool. So I will see you next time, hopefully during happier circumstances, with another video. Take care. See you soon.